Now look at that. Hello friends. Today I want to talk about headliner cleaning at the car lot. Now this headliner is not in the best shape. It's got issues. Now look at that. Just ick. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just kind of set the camera the best that I can. I don't have my stand or anything with me. I'm having to do this at the car lot itself because the shop is being used for the BMW club. So just kind of bear with me. So let's get started. When you're dealing with a headliner at a car lot, you have no choice as a car lot detailer but to make sure the headliner's clean. It's part of your job. It's not like in an outside detail where somebody, you can say, well, I don't do headliners unless it's more money added. For a car lot, you don't have a choice. So you might as well do it, get it done. But what's the best way to do that? I will tell you, there's a lot of headliners you won't be able to get clean. If you have a steamer, you can use a steamer. Use it lightly. Don't get stupid with it or anything. But if you don't have a steamer, that's okay. We're going to use a microfiber towel and some APC. So let's get started on this whopping mess of a headliner. You want to spray your towel with your APC, okay? Now, I kind of get it pretty wet. See the folded side, this edge side? Put it in your hand like this, and you're going to want to roll it and hang on to it in a fist. That's going to allow you to hang on to it while you're working on the headliner above your head. Can you spray APC directly on that? Yeah. Don't get stupid, but yes, you can. Can you see that? Nasty. So we're going to get going. I want to get this done. I want to go home. It's a Sunday. You just want to lightly rub it. And you may have to put a little bit of elbow grease into it. But it is what it is. And remember, the process is not hard. Getting them clean is. They don't like to come clean for me. Yikes. I sprayed it down a little bit, and I am going to spray it down again. Just how it is. Because that's pretty rough. See how that's just not coming clean? That's just nasty. Now, can you see these spots? Let me turn the camera so you can see them. This car was a mess. Somebody had cleaned all the junk out of it, but the carpets were destroyed. The center console deal is just wrecked, big time. These are not coming off. They're not budging. They're not coming off. They're lightening up slightly, but they are still very much visible. Do your best. There's just sometimes nothing you can do. Sometimes these details come from cars that, I've said it before, set it on fire. It shouldn't be at the car lot. I'm having better luck spraying on it than spraying my towel. It is what it is. Not budging. Not budging at all. Not lightening up hardly at all. Just not budging. If I sit here and scrub on that, this is going to come off. There is some truth to the detailing community's argument, but these are stronger than made out to be. So once I see that they're not going to come off, I'm just going to keep moving. There's no reason to keep on going. Just keep moving. This is not budging. So there it is. Got that area over there. It still don't look much better. But it's better than it was. I'll go over there and try and work on it some more. So there you have it, guys. If you work for a car lot, the headliner is a must. You have to check it. You have to make sure it's good to go. You don't have any way around it. You just have to do it. But at a car lot, you get paid to do all of the interior, and that includes everything above your head. All right? I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'm going to go over there and finish working on that spot a little more, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good week, weekend, whichever. Peace.